This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Woodmont Realty property video is presented by Momoko Imai. Spacious one-floor plan with a large formal dining room and living room with fireplace. The entire walls are newly painted, including the front porch area. This brick home features hard surface floors, a country-style kitchen, and bathrooms, a large backyard with a storage room, and much more. Great investment opportunity. To schedule a showing or questions, call or text the listing agent at 615-800-0742 for more information. Review the details below or contact Momoko Imai at 615-800-0742.